Snoring 101, everything you need to know for a good night's sleep. Snoring not only reduces your capacity to get a good sleep, it does the same for your partner. A lot of different solutions are available for snorers who wish to take control of their lives and manage their snoring. For a few good ideas to take care of your own snoring issues, simply read on. If you or your partner snores, it could ruin your relationship. Everyone needs sleep, and a disturbance in the middle of the night can spoil the other person's sleep. At some point, you may decide to sleep separately. While this doesn't seem particularly romantic, many people do it, and their relationship doesn't suffer at all. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. Drinking alcohol too close to bedtime can result in snoring. This happens because alcohol tends to relax the throat muscles, which leads to tightened airways. As a result, snoring is more likely to occur. The best way to avoid snoring due to alcohol consumption is to stop drinking spirits at least 5 to 6 hours before bedtime. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. As was mentioned earlier in this video, snoring can be a very frustrating and annoying condition for many people. The good news is that there's a lot more techniques for helping you overcome snoring than you might realize. Follow the advice in this video, and your life will be freed from the problems of snoring. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.